Nowadays, Instagram marketing become very popular for grow a business. Proper Instagram marketing can help you to engage with your customers and increase more sales. Now, proper hashtag research for the Instagram is one of the most important thing for Instagram marketing. It can viral your post and you will get more engagement and followers. So it is a method to grow your Instagram organically. In this video, I'm going to show you how to research proper hashtags for Instagram post. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, open a browser and here search for keywordtool.io. You'll also get this website link in my video description box. So just open this website. Basically, it's a paid keyword research tool for Google, Amazon, YouTube, or Instagram. But you can also use it for free. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you what is the difference between paid or free tool. Okay, so how to search for keyword or hashtags. Here, as you can see, all websites icon top of the search bar. So as you want to search for Instagram hashtags, just click on Instagram icon and then here type your niche keyword. So as I'm a digital marketer, I'm gonna search for social media marketing. You have to type your niche topic. And then here select your country, which country based you want to get your search result. Here just click on country and type the first letter of your country and then select your country. After that, click on search icon and you will get a lot of hashtags related to your niche, which is now trending in Instagram. As you can see, it's showing analytics only for the first one and rest of those are hidden. So if you want to see all hashtag analytics, you have to purchase this tool. You have to convert your account into pro mode as they suggest here. So it is the difference between free or paid. Now why analytics is important? If you only choose the high ranked hashtags for your Instagram post, it will be something difficult for you to rank in top page. So when we choose hashtags for our Instagram post, we have to choose from high ranking, medium ranking and low ranking hashtags. So analytics is very important to sort it out. Okay, now select hashtags, which hashtags you want to use in your post. For a perfect marketing strategy, you can buy this tool, otherwise you can use it free. According to Instagram terms and policy, you can use 15 hashtags in a post and it will be better for a post. Okay, so after select them, just click here and copy it and then paste it in your Instagram post. Hope this video gonna be very helpful for you. Don't post in Instagram without hashtags. I'm a professional digital marketer more than 2 years. If you need any premium support, you can contact with me in LinkedIn and you can also order me in Fiverr. To get more this type of tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe our channel and thanks a lot for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.